Welcome back friends, and in today's video I am going to explain you how to unlock Samsung phone without Google account. Security on Samsung phones is important, but suppose you have locked your phone and you have lost or forgotten your Google account and password. So what will you do then? I am going to tell you few simple methods you should try, and please be patient and watch this video till the end. I believe that it will help you to solve the problem of unlocking a Samsung phone without using Google account. If you have Google account, then you can go to the Google Find My Device page, log into your Google account and password, and then follow the on-screen methods to erase the device to unlock that. But you have lost that Google account password, so you will not able to unlock your Samsung Galaxy phone. So how to unlock Samsung phones without Google account, how to know that password or the methods by which you can unlock your Samsung phone without Google account and password. I am going to tell you there are several methods, but that will completely wipe your Samsung phone apps and data. So if you need the data in your Samsung phone, and if please take the complete backup of your phone. So not wasting much of your time, if you're new to the channel and if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. The very first thing is, suppose you have lost that, then try to unlock your phone with fingerprint or face recognition. It is very important preventive measure to set up the fingerprint unlocking process in your mobile. Go to the setting and here find fingerprints and then enable it. And face recognition, both should be enabled. It is very important, write it down. It is very important to set up this fingerprint and face recognition for unlocking this. Suppose your phone is locked and you have just forgotten pattern lock, or then just try to unlock it with your fingerprint. This is the very primary thing. You might be thinking that it is very basic thing, but this is important. Set up the fingerprint and face recognition in your phone. So this is the first method. The second is applicable for the Android version 4.4 and above, that is forget pattern functions. When you touches that forget pattern functions, it will ask some secret questions and it will send a passcode to your linked Gmail account. Then with the help of Gmail password, you can retrieve that code and you can enter. But this is valid only for the Android version 4.4 and higher, so this may not be useful for some people. The third one is smart lock. This is also a very preventive measure, very important preventive measure. Samsung phones are coming with the help with smart lock system. How you will enable? Just go find smart here, and here in lock screen you will find smart lock. Just enable it. It will ask for pattern and see on body detection, trusted place and trusted devices. If you have forgotten your Google account and password and you are not able to unlock your phone, then just go to the trusted place. It will automatically unlock, or with the help of trusted devices or on body detection. With the help of smart lock system, you can able to unlock your phone without your Google account and password, and even if you have forgotten the pattern lock also. So this is the third. The fourth is Samsung Find My Devices. Then Find My Mobile. Here just go and search find, here find my mobile, go here, it is on, so here is the link Gmail address. With the help of a PC which is nearby, what is needed in this, your mobile should be connected to the Wi-Fi which have internet access, and then go to the nearby places and then search for go to the search engine and search for Samsung. Find my device, this will go to the same. All you need is the Samsung account. With the help of Samsung account you can sign in, and after signing in you will find the option unlock your device. Then you can unlock your device by using Samsung Find My Mobile applications. If after all the things you are not able to unlock your mobile, then in that case just restore the factory setting. But be careful, if you have data, backed up data, and you know how to restore it, then only reset this. So how will you do that? Just switch off your mobile, power off. If you are not able to power it off, just press power on and minus key simultaneously for few seconds. It will go off, and then as soon as it is going off, press power on button and plus. And if you are able to power it off, then only press power on button and plus button simultaneously and see what will happen. It will start booting, and then it will go into the recovery mode. With the help of plus and minus key, you come down, and here wipe data and factory reset. Select with the help of power on button, but you need to very careful. You have the backed up data and you know how to restore it, then only you will do it. So this is all the things which I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.